In this video, we will see undo and redo command plus the history window. What does undo mean? If we do any changes on the image, say for example just now we are taking a brush tool and just for practice designing any of the design. Now if we want to remove this design, we want to go back to the original image, we want to revert this step, then we can do with the undo command. On edit menu, first option is there undo. By clicking on it, we get the original image back and the step gets reverted. If we want to do redo, again we want that design. Then from edit menu, the second option is there redo. The same design will get again on your screen. With this, there is an option of toggle last step in edit menu. Whichever step we had done in a last, that same step get repeated with that click. Its shortcut is Ctrl Alt Z. From that we can do the same task. Okay. Now if we want to take more steps and more commands we want to apply on an image, then we want to work with the undo and redo. So for now we are taking any selection tool and selecting an area, turning into black and white. Okay. Now we are taking fill color, filling any area. Okay, just for a practice. Now if we want to undo this, same, go to edit and undo. That fill area got reverted. Again undo, that black and white went. Again undo, that brush design went. Now if we want all the steps again on the screen, then same way on edit, redo button, that brush design came. Again redo button, that black and white wala design came. Again redo, fill area design came. Now on the right hand side we have the history window next to the layer window. Okay, here whatever we have done on the document area, the history is listed there. We had used fill tool, brush tool, black and white, revert, all is given. Open state button, by clicking on it, original image gets appear.